Hey friends, if you encounter the error availability status available on this device error in OneDrive on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. Now, this is a clear-cut case of OneDrive not syncing with the local drive. And in this case, our first approach would be to check the internet connection. So simply go to fast.com on any browser and check the internet speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next solution, which is to unsync and resync the OneDrive application. Right click on the OneDrive icon here. If you don't find it, click on the upward pointing arrow and you will find it. Okay. Now click on this gear like symbol. Click on the downward pointing arrow associated with pause syncing. Quit OneDrive. Quit it. Make sure that this icon is gone and you don't have any OneDrive symbol here. Now we will reopen OneDrive. So we'll search for OneDrive and then we'll go and reopen it. Now it needs a while to sync, so you'll have to wait, but once it syncs, your problem will be solved. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.